Quick tutorial on how to make a chocolate bomb, the new trend. Get you some chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate, some marshmallows, some hot chocolate mix, and you gotta have a sphere mold that you can get from Amazon. Coat the spheres with your chocolate and put them in the refrigerator or freezer for 5 minutes to set. Once they're set, carefully remove them from the silicone mat. Once you remove them, add your marshmallows, your hot chocolate mix, and then bind them together. After you add your hot chocolate mix and your marshmallows, put them together so that they can seal for a couple of moments. Once it's sealed, put it in your favorite coffee mug and bring some hot milk to a slight boil, and once your milk's starting to boil, take it off the heat. With your chocolate in your mug, pour the milk over your bomb. And there you have it, hot cocoa with a chocolate bomb.